What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm gonna show you how to scan documents in here using your iPhone so you can actually generate PDF documents and then send those specific documents to other people through email, through WhatsApp and other social media platforms. One of the main advantages of using your phone camera here as the scanner is that you can actually share with people on WhatsApp, which is basically the most used social media platform nowadays. Let's say that you have a document, it's already signed, and you wish to send it real quick to your boss, and you are out of the office or in a not ideal scenario, but you need to actually send the document. You do not have a scanner. Nowadays, we do not use physical printers or scanners to scan documents. We use our phone in here. And trust me, the quality that you'll be getting here on your phone will be much better than the one offered by your scanner. I'm gonna show you how to do it in this video and in two different ways. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I do cover a lot of tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. It really helps me out. Now, jumping straight into the very first way in here in how you can scan documents, you need an application in here known as Preview, okay? So if you do not have it, hop into App Store real quick, and then you wanna simply search for Preview. This is how it goes, P-R-E-V-I-E-W. There we go. We do have Preview in here, which is this application. It actually is an application that comes inbuilt with iOS 26 in case you have your software updated. In case you do not have it, simply download it from the App Store. Simply download it and open it real quick, okay? Let me go. I've already opened, and this is how the application should look like, okay? Now, we're gonna scan this little piece of paper in here. And please note that if you do not have an iPhone, I'm gonna show you another method in which you can use to scan documents as well. So I have this piece of paper in here that I've just made, okay? And let's say that I wish to scan this little piece of paper. So what we're gonna do in here essentially is tap on scan documents. It's very easy to use, and next up I'll simply put the paper here, and then I'm gonna position my camera. As soon as I position, it's gonna automatically click a pic. Okay, so it's essential for you to remove the camera as soon as you take the picture, because if you simply keep your camera here, your phone will keep on automatically clicking pictures without you actually asking it to do so. Okay, so for example, in my case I already have 5 pictures, but as soon as you remove it from that specific square, it's gonna stop clicking pictures. Why? Because the phone or the app has been made in such a way that it identifies rectangles or squares with some sort of text. It uses AI to find texts that it needs to scan in order to find that specific region from where it needs to stop scanning or cropping. Okay, so in my case it took automatically, for example, 5 pictures. If that's the case, you can simply delete 1, 2, 3, there we go, 4, because I only want one scanned picture, right? Now, if you wish to have multiple pictures, this is where this feature helps out, because you just need to position, click, position, click, position, click. You do not need to keep on pressing the button to shoot a specific photo. There we go, we've already scanned the document, and now we can tap on adjust just to adjust in here the area, because you may be in a situation where it didn't select the proper text correctly or the entire screen. So you want to double check if everything is in frame. Next up, simply tap on done, and then you have a few filters in here. Okay, so you can go with black and white. For example, if you want to have that old looking feeling of old scanners, you can go with black and white. You can change also to grayscale. You can change it to color, you can change it to photo, for example. But of course, I would recommend you guys to keep it on color like this. This is an advantage that you do not have on physical existing scanners. You cannot actually change the filter. Once you're done, you simply tap in here on back, okay? And then tap on done at the top right corner. Tap on done and you're good to go. Your document will immediately launch up in here. Now, here we go. We can do further editings in here. We can perform further editings. We can tap, for example, on the snap tool in here. We can select the pen and we can sign manually. I can say something like, let's say Shaq, okay? Something like this. I can simply type in my signature, or I can, for example, let me just undo this. I can simply, okay, one more time, undo. There we go. Undo one more time. undo. 4 letters are gone. I can also type something on top. For example, I can say something like received, okay, something like that, or anything similar to that, okay. So you can in fact type in much more stuff on top. Now, the ideal way to add the signature, in case you wish to add it, is to tap on this plus icon in here, and then you can tap on add signature, okay. So tap on add signature, and then simply tap here on add or remove signatures. In my case, I already have one, but I'm going to delete it right now because I just want to showcase it to you how it works. And then tap on plus in here to create a new one, okay. So you want to sign in here something like blah blah blah, your signature, and you're good to go. Tap on here, and then you'll be good to go. You can now simply maximize that signature, bring it down here, and you can also change the color of that specific signature according to your preference, okay. So this is how cool you can actually add signature to your scanned PDF. Next up, simply tap on 3 dots at the top right corner, tap on share to share that document which has been created and it's ready to be sent online. You can send to someone on WhatsApp, for example. You can tap on Gmail if you wish to send an email to somebody, okay. You can also tap, for example, on airdrop if you wish to airdrop somebody that specific document. So this is the very first way on how you can scan documents here on your iPhone. Now, we do have the second method, which is the traditional one. You can also use that one, but you do have a lot of limitations. But this second method has an advantage that it will work for Android devices as well. All you need to do is download the third-party app here from App Store. So hop into App Store and tap something like PDF Scanner. And then you can download one of these free apps. CamScan is very famous, or I Love PDF. Download it, and then you can simply scan PDFs by using your camera by opening the app. It's very easy to use. All you need to do is open up the app, tap on scan. It's going to scan properly, but ensure that you have good lighting whenever you are performing the scan process. Now, the disadvantage of these apps is that you have a watermark in most of the apps. You'll be having at the corner, left corner or right corner of your document something like scanned by pdf.com or anything like that. So if that's not an issue, you're good to go unless you pay for those apps. But this is the native tradition way, using preview on how you can actually scan documents without any issue at all. I hope you found my video useful here, and if you find my content with some value, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts so we can discuss further. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq, where my main aim in here is to help all of you guys fixing tech-related issues without spending money, without paying for a technician to a local engineer or anything like that, because in most cases you can actually fix all these issues or most commonly faced issues by your own at your home. Okay, so my aim is to help you guys with tech-related content. Thank you for supporting. We've just hit 50,000 subscribers, and all this wouldn't be possible without your support in here. By subscribing, by liking, you actually keep me going, and this really helps me out so I can reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. My aim in here is to grow the channel as much as I can so I can reach out to more people, and of course, as I've just said, help out more people here with tech related issues. But of course, it's not easy to do it alone. This is a community. I want you guys to stay here with me, interacting in the comment section within the community tab as well, by visiting the community in here so we can actually interact every single day. And if you have any doubt or any question by any means, feel free to leave it down in the comment section so I can actually reply to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate your help, and I hope we can actually reach 200k subscribers real soon. Thank you so much for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.